Hey guys, so here's my bike I picked up. It's 2007 zx6r. Got it for a pretty good deal off Craigslist. Got it for $4,800, and most of you will think that's a decent amount of money for a 2007, but I'll show you why it was a pretty good deal. So this bike only has, well, it had 56,000 miles. I'm not 5,600 miles, but I put a decent amount now. It's at 5843, and that is like nothing for a sport bike. Pretty much this bike was just sitting in the dude's garage, and there's some like small dings on it, but got it for a good deal. Got 2 Red Bull stands included, and I got some oil as well for my next oil change. It's got a Yoshi slip-on, and it's got that Yoshi fender eliminator kit, which is older, but still looks pretty decent. Has a power commander, and that's about it. Everything's stock on it except the power commander and the Yoshi. Let me just give it a little startup for you guys. It's pretty much a cold start. It is a cold start, so. Show you the turn signals. I'll put the high beam on too. It's insanely bright high beam. That's what the turn signals look like. They're pretty bright at night.